The Gemological Institute of America just made a major shift in how it handles lab-grown diamonds, and honestly it's about time. The GIA will no longer assign traditional color and clarity grades to lab-grown diamonds. Instead, it will use descriptive terms and categorize stones as either premium or standard based on its assessment of color, clarity and finish. So why the change? Well, over 95% of lab-grown diamonds fall within a very narrow range of color and clarity, which means the traditional grading scale is no longer relevant, and the GIA explained and reasoned. If you think about it, that's the whole pitch of lab-grown diamonds: consistent quality. The ability to control the growing process means you can aim for fewer inclusions, better color, and a more uniform product. But there is a trade-off. That consistency also strips away what gives each diamond its special character, the subtle imperfections, the unique hues of each diamond. In essence, lab-grown diamonds start to feel more like generic products than precious stones. For me, this is a case of better late than never. The GIA has been back and forth in its approach to synthetics in recent years. In fact, many in the trade questions why they were grading them at all. After all, the GIA's grading reports and its 4Cs system were designed as a certificate of rarity. The better the color and clarity, the more exceptional the stone. With lab grown, you can dial in the outcome, so to speak, meaning there's no rarity, there's just replication. Most synthetics today fall in the D to F color range with VS clarity or better. So what exactly are we grading over here? Now you should know the GIA originally used descriptive terms for color and clarity grading, but it introduced 4C's color and clarity terminology for lab grown around 2020, claiming it would provide more precision for the trade and would help educate consumers. But the move was another misstep from within the industry, giving lab grown diamonds a false equivalence to natural diamonds. But the question still lingered within the trade. Do lab-grown diamonds really need a grading report? Do they serve the same purpose as grading reports for natural stones do? For me, the honest answer is no. And that was exactly De Beers' position when it launched Lightbox, its now defunct synthetics jewelry brand. Instead of grading, they offered a quality assurance certificate, treating lab-grown diamonds more like a product than a rare gem. So yes, the latest move from the GIA is the right decision, but forgive me if I don't join the chorus of plaudits praising their leadership in this area. They're just undoing a bad call they made years ago. That said, this is part of a bigger industry pivot. We're seeing a clear effort to pull back from lab-grown diamonds as a substitute or alternative for natural diamonds.